Let's go to jobless claims. They were slightly revised last week from 214 to 215. Take 5 away, brings you down to the most recent read at 210,000. 1.64 million on continuing claims. That's down just a bit from a slightly revised 1.653. Philly made it 22.2, 22.2. That's a bit better than expectations and very close to our last read at 22.9. The overnight news, a continuation. Rates finally have woken up after 5 sessions of long maturities and pretty much the whole curve closing in a flat as a pancake area. They've expanded a bit. As a matter of fact, we're now trading 320 in 10s, 3 basis points away from the highest yield close in 7 years. Same for 30s. 340s currently their high yield close for 4 years. They're trading 337. And yes, we hit 290 in the short end. So all maturities are participating. Equity markets a little bit squeamish. This is the way we went into the minutes. This is sort of the way we came out of the minutes. But that Treasury complex was rumbling yesterday. Really did give indications it was getting ready to sell off, pushing rates higher. Becky, back to you.
What do you think that was, Rick? If it was headed that way before the FOMC release of minutes and then headed the same way afterwards, I was going to say, is it because of what they saw in the minutes? But if it was already rumbling that direction, is it because just general nervousness about what the Fed's going to do, or is it because of positive news that's being heard in earnings at this point?
Bingo. I think it's the latter. Now, obviously, the central bank plays into any interest rate strategy. But I think after that jolting jolts number, things changed a little bit. And then with respect to the Federal Reserve and all the issues and hand-wrangling between, what they may do, what the president may make them not do or do less or more of, I really think that this notion of the divergence with global economies, how sensitive their interest rates were to some of the moves in equities, I think just underscores that the U.S. is on a different path. And even though most economists and analysts, Becky, don't believe divergence is something that could last very long with regard to developed economies moving in different directions, we're going to have to wait and see what the market thinks about that.